CIO Whisper. Everyone's talking about AI. Will it replace us? Will it take our jobs? Here's the truth. AI won't replace CIOs. But something else already is. CIOs who still spend 60% of their time on vendor management, budgeting cycles, and infrastructure troubleshooting. They're invisible in boardrooms. While you're buried in dashboards, AI-native CXOs are building intelligence engines, not just IT. Today's competitive edge isn't faster IT delivery. It's intelligence-driven operations. Making data-informed decisions at every level. CIOs leading with AI and automation are scaling faster, responding in real time, and making data-informed decisions at every level. They're not just service providers. They're becoming strategic intelligence architects. Traditional IT mindsets, focused on uptime and tickets, are being outpaced by intelligence-driven leadership. Boardrooms now demand strategic foresight, CIOs who can map business goals to data flows, automation pipelines, and intelligence models. It's not about managing IT anymore. It's about architecting intelligent ecosystems that drive growth. The future CIO isn't just a technologist. They're AI fluent, insight driven, and architecting scalable, adaptive systems. They don't manage IT, they orchestrate value across AI-powered ecosystems. They've shifted from reactive problem solver to proactive growth enablers. From managing IT budgets to architecting intelligence ecosystems. They're reimagining the enterprise, one intelligence layer at a time. The CIOs who are winning aren't reacting to change, they're orchestrating it. They align tech strategy with business vision and drive transformation from the front. These CIOs aren't adapting to the future. They're creating it.